Yeah, don't fucking do that, please.
You should ask permission before doing that, you know.
What the fuck?
3,
By that fact.
2, 1. Five, 4.
Personals in
3,
8.
2,
Insane combo.
1.
Press. 3,
Really?
2, 1.
Away from the wall.
Safe, don't move. Single ghost here.
1. Done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Really?
Away from the wall when you can.
Safe, don't move. Double ghost here, guys.
2,
1,
1.
2.
5, 4, 3,
Getting the wind rush.
2, 1.
Blade soak.
Algary healing potion in 8.
Triple ghost now.
Personals in 8.
1,
3,
2,
2,
3.
3, 2,
Done.
Personal.
1.
5, 4, 3,
Out of these circles as soon as you can.
1.
On the markers. First one's fake. Stay or go. Go. To run. Gate. Recenter. To your side.
Five, 4, 3,
CC in 3, 2, 1. CC.
Five, 4, 3,
Drop pool
Press.
soon.
2,
Press.
Beams.
5, 4,
CC in 3, 2,
2,
1. CC.
1.
Get close. Pools.
Five,
That's enough.
Off center.
This is a run in first, right?
No, we gated out.
We get it out. So maybe we start out.
Stay up.
Stay here. Stay. Get tight. Get tight. We're gonna gate in after. Gate. Get in the middle. Get in the middle.
Press.
10 seconds. 7. 5. Good drops, guys.
Okay. Ranger at star, mailer at red. And go middle. Run against this, guys. Remember, take your time. There's no rush. Watch looting Aragon here. Okay. One more break, guys. One more break. And range to look for star. Melee, you guys are going to orange. You have time here. Get to a good spot, good drop spot. We get full health in these guys. There's an SLT coming in this, you're getting SLT. Okay, take your time here, no rush. Careful of the star killers, careful, careful, careful. One more star killer set.
New drop soon.
Okay, ranged, you're going to skull out here, ranged out here.
Melee triangle.
Melee triangle over here. Last drops, let's go, come on.
Then
I'll
your
go mid, I'll
defensives.
go mid.
Last drops. Send defensives.
There's Sparrow if you have it, Ludi.
Take this in a minute.
Just wait till after. We're gonna move in soon and then wait. So move in, wait here, stay. Just stay, just stay, just stay. I'll go through. Star killers, let's go. Keep going below. Get out of the beams, guys, careful. One more set. Boss is good on health. Just get these star killers, please. Last set.
Look at you, Sack.
Extra on Aragon.
We have 25 seconds of nothing.
Just kill the boss. We did
Boss
it.
is dead. Just
He's
stack
dead.
them, don't do anything.
Good job, guys.
I'm running
Come on!
I was the
I'm
problem.
gonna
Thank
have to
fuck, man. Holy shit.
Don't.
We
don't,
completed the
don't,
quest.
don't.
We got the quest done. That's so good.
Yeah, dog shit week. Well, yeah, dog shit week.